Alrighty, so first off, I'm Brad Tumas, account manager of academics. I also get the pleasure of working with vet hospitals at university as well as private institutions. So this is Mimic's impact in veterinary medicine. So first off, I wanted to start off by just info sharing. So we attended VOS this last month in Colorado, and here are some key learnings. So many surgeons are interested in virtual surgical planning and 3D printing if they're not already doing it. Many residents are actually conducting research around patient-specific virtual surgical planning and 3D printing. Orthopedic surgical guides are the primary clinical use case for surgeons. Our guide design tool updates and mimics latest release have greatly reduced creation time. The orthopedic community is awesome. They're very collaborative. I always enjoy going to the shows, to the ACVS, VOS, all these different things, and just seeing the dynamics of everyone working together and knowing each other and really working really well together. There's no high competitiveness. It's really just really collaborative. There is a high demand currently for surgeons, whether that be in mobile surgery or in new institution locations. And I had never even heard of mobile surgery. I thought that was very interesting, just going from practice to practice. So what are the use cases of 3D visualization? A lot of times education and training, surgical rehearsal, surgical planning, 3D printed implants and parts, plate pre-contouring, 3D printed recovery sleeves, and then external prosthetics and orthotics are another use case. So where do we fit in? What is Mimics? So Mimics is image processing and anatomical design software. So what we do is we are able to take the DICOM imaging, CT, MRI, ultrasound, and bring it to your PC and create a 3D model rendering from that. So Mimics platform is something that we want to see an end-to-end use case where you're going from end to end. You have everything almost covered within our software. We have affordable package solutions for every size institution. We're looking to, give you a return on your investment for, a seamless end-to-end solution. Starting from image acquisition, that's starting off with your segmentation, what I showed in the previous slide, creating your initial mask and making a model, and then there's all sorts of outputs, whether that's just being 3D model measuring, planning, designing, and if your end goal is to 3D print and finally get personalized treatment, that's typically the end goal we see in hospital as well as in veterinary medicine. So what are some of our applications? Orthopedic surgery, as I mentioned, there's, as listed here, several different surgeries that are orthopedic type surgeries that are used within Mimics, Mimics is used to plan these surgeries. These models here are some reduction guides and placement guides for angular limb deformity. This is a case that we worked on several years ago for another conference with Dr. Jason Bleedhorn and Dr. Carlin. And then this is just a quick rendering of the STLs just to show you in 3D. And so these are patient-specific guides based on the anatomy.